Hello, this is Daniel with Boss C351 Productions. Had a little trouble today with my 2013 Ford F150 FX4. Went down to the store, got in the parking lot, and the differential lock came on and locked down the differential. Made the turn into a parking spot, and the rear tire started chirping on me. And I thought, well, what's going on? So maybe I accidentally pulled out this switch, which engages the differential lock, and that wasn't it. It's been raining for about 3 or 4 days here, and I was worried the water got into the electrical wiring and shorted out the system, and that is not the case. What I've found through investigation is that this switch and the dash has internally come apart. You can see that it wiggles. One side's worse than the other. The inside of the switch has come apart, and when it comes apart, it breaks contact, like you pull this knob out to engage the rear differential. So I've thought about this. I've looked at different avenues. I've ordered a switch for this thing, but today's Monday, and the switch is not going to be here till Thursday, and I've got to drive this truck to and from work every day until then. This morning when I came to work, I had to physically hold my finger on this switch the whole time I was driving in order not to destroy my rear differential. Let me tell you, that is a pain in the butt when you drive, any kind of distance from your house to work or whatever. So what I've developed is what I think is a good workaround until your switch comes in. Now, when you're driving your truck or when you turn it on, you'll notice that the 4x2 symbol comes on, and what you can do is you can press this in and it will go off, but as soon as you let loose, it re-engages. The workaround that I've found is go ahead and hold this in, get the light to go off, make sure it's off, give it about 10-15 seconds, and then turn your truck off. Once you turn your truck off, you'll need to go out, go get your owner's manual and look at the fuse section in the back of your owner's manual. On my particular truck, it is fuse 68, which is a 25 amp fuse. It's for the 4x4 module and the 4x2 e-locker module. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go out under the hood to the fuse box, and you're going to pull the fuse out that it tells you is the 4x2 locker. So I went out and did that, and went out and tested the truck. I've got a warning sign on my dash that tells me to check my 4x4, which is, here's what it shows. That right there is what came up. Now, I'm gonna click OK and it goes away, but you got a wrench down there. I can live with the wrench. I can't live with destroying the rear differential. So if this happens to you, this is what I suggest trying. If it doesn't work for you, there may be something else wrong. But do remember, before you pull the fuse, you're gonna have to make sure that the differential lock is disengaged by holding the switch in. Once it's in, turn your key off, and then go out and pull the fuse. That should work for you. Coming up is going to be part 2 of this video, is how to replace this switch. Now, I've got an FX4, so I've got all this here to take loose in order to take this here loose to get the switch out. So here in about another week, I should have another video up that shows how to replace that switch. Once again, this is Daniel with Boss C351 Productions. I appreciate you watching my video. If you got any questions or comments, please put them down below. Thank you.